Hey Lance, if you could start over right now, what would you do differently?
Well, when I first started trading, I blew through a few accounts. Luckily, they were small accounts. But the one thing I'd probably do is use education that's available everywhere. I mean, in fact, my videos, YouTube out there to learn. And the beauty is a lot of these platforms now have simulated accounts where you can practice, try it out, get a feel for how everything works, and really perfect your craft doing it that way before you're using real money out there. So that would be a huge advantage that I didn't have that opportunity starting off. But at the same point, I would probably try to get my emotions in check. And what I mean by that is, if you have outside interferences going on in life, maybe you're thinking of 5 different things at once, look, nothing's gonna work. And that's just being real with you. So really focusing, getting my emotions in check, practicing, every day, that repetition, it really pays dividends at the end. No pun intended, because we're talking about trading in stocks. But I would probably do that starting off, and really trying to find that mentorship where I could really connect and learn from someone that's had a history of being successful and making money.